In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to run Facebook ad for your dental clinic. Plus, I've gone ahead to put together all of the ad copy, the ad creative that we're going to use to run this campaign. And I'm also going to show you how to avoid leads that don't show up for appointment and get leads that can pay for your services. So let's get straight into it. We're in the ads manager, Facebook campaign. We create. What we want is leads. There is awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, our promotion, sales. What we want is leads, so we just go with the leads. So let's say we set our daily budget for maybe 10k, 10,000 naira in a day. Sometimes you want to run your ads between the hours of 9 to 5. You want people to see your ads during 9 to 5. When you have SDRs, sales executives that call your leads, if you don't understand what I'm saying, like you have, when you run these ads now, you have the leads that come into your CRM. You have leads, you're supposed to call your leads. But if some of these leads come in around 2 a.m. in the morning, nobody's going to follow up with these leads. The next thing is the ad set. Let's also name this veneers ad sets. Yeah. Conversion. Now this is the thing with conversion. It depends on how you want to do it. Conversion location. Some people send their leads to WhatsApp directly. You just text this number. I strongly recommend you not to do this, because that's how you get all the WhatsApp that you don't follow up, all the DMs. It's just usually messy. It just ends up being very, very messy. What you want to do is send it to your instant forms. Then you have your Facebook page, set to instant forms. You have this Facebook page here. You've accepted here. Maximize number of leads, yes. Then cost per result none. Dynamic creative off. Advantage for catalog ads. Your audience. Now, the interesting part in this is that when you have your clinic, right, you want to set your clinic. You want it to be within a 5 to 10 mile radius of your clinic. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. Here we have locations, Nigeria. You want to set this to Lekki, right? This area here. So now you have this place. It's Lekki here. So your clinic is around here, Lekki. You might even want to drop this between 10 miles. You want to drop this between 10 miles. Drop this between 10 miles. Then you have, because you have more concentration of the idea is that you don't want people outside of this 10-mile radius seeing your ad. They have to travel down from their location to come to your clinic, and nobody's really going to travel 20 kilometers to come to your clinic just for something that they can get close to them. And the other thing you want to do is drop pin somewhere around here, right? Drop the pin somewhere around here and choose exclude. You want to exclude more of these places around here. I think this is enough. Let's just exclude all of these areas outside here. Now you have people that are seeing your ads beneath the Lekki area, right? Now this is good. The next thing, show more controls. The thing with the age is I don't want someone age of, I don't even want 18-year-old seeing ads, because most Lagos 18-year-old don't have purchasing power. So I usually like to start my ads from 25, minimum age of 25. So detailed targeting is when some people like to do detailed targeting. They start to look into if you look into it, you see some of demographics. This is where people go into they start to target people based on their income, where they work, or whether they're using an iPhone or not using an iPhone. I don't do any of this. Like this doesn't even get results that it doesn't even get positive results, because we start to limit what the Meta AI can do, because like this is one of the most, like Meta AI is so sophisticated that it will find the people that will come to your clinic and buy your services. That's why it is so advanced. To go next, your ad now, your Facebook page, your Instagram profile, ad setup, archive. Now we have the instant form. The thing about the instant form, and why I always advise all brick and mortar business, even if you're running a med spa or a dental clinic, or you are any type of met or brick and mortar location where someone has to call your business to come and deliver a service or anything, is you want to use an instant form because it gives you a lot of control over things that you normally won't have control over. So let's make an instant form. I want to build my own unique form. I don't create from scratch. Now, form type, let's call it careful form. Let's call it careful form. All these things don't even really matter. Then more volume, you want to keep for more volume, open, flexibility from delivering, optimized. Don't want to go with manual. Intro. Now, most times I just want to skip this written. It's not useful to me. Now, this is the important part, the question part. Now, I want you to use the conditional logic form, but some advertisers like to use conditional logic, why some don't why some don't agree using conditional logic, but I use conditional logic because it helps to filter out leads that are not qualified, and I don't want any leads that aren't qualified. Now, what do I mean by this? So description, let's say I want to add a question. I'll say multiple choice. The kind of questions I like to ask is to determine how ready they are to solve their problems, right? The first question is to understand. The first question I want to ask is how ready are they? Are they ready to come in a week, in 3 days, in 2 months, to determine how ready they are on a scale to come and get their consultation at the clinic? And the second question is to determine their financial buoyancy, if they can pay for their services. Now watch how I'll do this. How soon do you want the consultation? And they will wait and come around in 2 weeks. Now that depends on your follow-up system though. So we have question 1, multiple choice logic. So logic is what do I want leads that click today? Where do I want them to go? Am I going to close the form, submit the form, or go to the next question? Now the next question is also a multiple choice. And we went to what's your budget for your teeth, right? It's a free consultation though, but yeah, then the category. So that's all for this for me. You have the email number, phone, the email, full name, phone number. Some people want to collect. Sometimes you might collect their address, but I don't need their address. So for the privacy policy, now there's a lot of things I haven't fixed here. For the privacy policy, you can add in any. So for us to be very ethical, right? You might want to insert your own website or just your own privacy policy. Your privacy policy might be in a Google Doc somewhere, it might be anywhere, but they don't care. Whatever you add, they just add the link. Or I'll add our privacy policy to this. So we add our privacy policy here. Then go to the next thing. This is the ending of page 1. The ending of page 1 is where the leads that are qualified come to. So thanks, you're all set. Let's say thanks, you can visit, book your consultation now. There's something that I do sometimes for my clients. There's something that I do to increase the quality of my leads, right? Is to add a refundable booking fee. If you're in Lagos, Nigeria, if you're in Nigeria, anywhere, Africa, you can add Paystack to it. Add Paystack to a booking fee, to a booking page. Paystack will give you the booking page, and it sets it maybe 5k, sets it to 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira booking fee, and it's refundable. You add it to, you see that I'll add it to the ad copy itself. That once they show up for the appointment, they get their 5k or 10k back. So I'll add this here to go to website. So I'll add the Paystack payments page here. So this is a test page, as you can see. So when you build yours, go to Paystack. I can't make a video. It's a very simple thing. Go to Paystack, go to your payments page. You see this, set it up, 10,000 naira. You can see here so the leads will come here. First name, last name, email address, phone number. Then they pay the amount, 10,000 naira for the refundable booking fee. View websites, book your consultation. Book your consultation page. Then for page 2 unlinked. For page 2, this is where we have leads that are unqualified. Best for you. Description. This is where you describe. I will let you know when you have other offers. Go to website. The website URL. Add it. And you say go to our website. Yeah. That's that. Then you go back to here. Back to the questions and link everything. So today today we'll go to a question, which is question two. Yeah, question two. Within 3 days, go to question two. The idea with all of this is, no, we are not removing all of the leads. You might think that we're not removing all of the leads. Is to from the CRM. I'll show the go from the CRM that you use. You link it up to your CRM. You will see the leads that shows all of this option. You see the option that they chose within 3 days. You know to follow up, to put more attention on the leads that said they are coming within 3 days. How much energy you're going to put into within 3 weeks and 2 weeks. It's just for more information to know how much resources you can to allocate to this leads. So you have multiple choice. If you have below 100k, you honestly want to submit the form, put it in page 2. That's what I do. Then the next 200k to 500k is where you take them to submit the form, page 1. Submit the form, page 1. 1 million plus. This is the sweet spot. So when you see the leads in your CRM that are telling you they have 1 million plus to spend for their consultation or for their teeth, that's where you know that this is a really great lead. That's where you know that these are great leads. Then you're on for you. Then you have create form. You can see all of this. You might connect it to your messenger, but honestly I don't really do that. Now we've created you created the instant forms. Now Google Sheets CRM, automated lead delivery. Now some of them people watching this video, you might have the CRM. Some of you might have the CRM. Maybe you're using HubSpot, whatever you're using. You can link that up. With HubSpot. I know they have Meta has multiple integration for this, so you can use HubSpot, use API to connect it to your GHL, whatever thing you're using. So let's go on to, you set it up, your automated lead delivery. This would automate from all the leads that are coming from your lead form, or sent to that Google Sheet that we created. Greetings, chat builder, ad creative. Now this is where we have our creative. So we have image ad. So you see the veneer thing. See veneer, we're using this veneer image. Yeah, so this is a test. This is not the right thing. We'll go with text. Now I don't want to enter the text here because you won't be able to see how I'm going to enter it. So image generation. Okay, this is not that bad. Okay. Yeah, this too is not that bad. No, this is bad. So now next. Enhancement. I hate this enhancement. I do not touch it. Translation. Okay. Now what we want to do is, I already wrote the ad copy for this. Primary text, we paste this here. So you read this: a confidence smile can change how you look, feel, and show up every day. Yeah, many people are their teeth. Dr. Fala gives advanced cosmetic industry, blah 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 blah. Replace, this is all that they list. Then they go ahead and I list all of this: repair and chip the word out teeth, and I insert the link to the appointment page here. Yeah, because some people might not go all the way down. Then a small refundable booking deposit of 10,000 naira is required to secure your appointment, and it's fully refunded when you attend. So we spell this out for them that you have to pay to book the fee. And I noticed this simple thing has increased the amount of appointment show rates that we've gotten across the board for all these dental clinics that we work with. Just adding simple 10,000 like refundable fee for this. And also we have SDR, sales executives, following up with the leads, but having somebody commit their money to an appointment is the greatest sign that they are really willing to change how they look and make themselves comfortable. Headline is claim your free consultation. Call to action is learn more. call to action is definitely learn more. So you can see this here. Claim your free consultation, learn more. Okay, we've turned up an enhancement, creative testing. I don't want to do anything with creative testing. CRM events, website events, setup. You should obviously have a meta pixel on your website, but this video wouldn't cover that. It would be too long. I'll cover that in another video, of course. So that's that about that. Publish. So publish that and your ads are ready. This is the part where I was talking about here. So Meta will send you this test lead. But we have this. Meta will send you all of this, so you can see all the leads that came in, all your full name, WhatsApp name, then lead created, WhatsApp number, all of this, all the filtering, all of the what is your budget, how ready are you, email. You see all of that. Now from the leads here, when the leads come into your CRM, what you want to do is to immediately, when the leads come into your CRM, what you want to do is to immediately start calling the leads, right? So from the when the lead come into your CRM, this is just an example of what I was talking about. When leads coming from your CRM, you have your campaign, your platform, you have your what is your budget, your how ready are you, email, full name, all of that. You have that, then you start to work your leads. That means within the first 5 minutes, you call the leads. You can have your setter call your leads. These are some of the call scripts that we use: SMS scripts, email scripts, all call scripts, SMS scripts, email scripts, and WhatsApp scripts. You also use WhatsApp scripts because Nigerians here, Lagos, especially Lagos businesses, Lagosians respond to WhatsApp more than emails. So we implement all of this, following up leads and working leads to make sure that they show up for appointment. If it's something that you don't want to use, like most clinics can't do it, can't work their leads, it's something that we do. If you watch this video, gain things from this video, and you need help in running ads for your dental clinic or your med spa clinic, that's what we do. We help you set up your ads, your funnel, your websites, everything to get you patients. And so the only thing that you have to do is we'll get the patients, get the lead to come to show up for the appointment. The only thing that you have to do is to treat the patient when they show up for appointments. We'll do all of it. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.